Hello guys, now we will discuss very important topic which is conflict management. First of all, we need to understand what is the difference between a conflict and disagreement. If the process stops, then that is a conflict, and if the process does not stop, then that would be a disagreement. So we can easily, with this definition, we can easily judge that whether there is a conflict or disagreement between two persons. If the process has stopped or the working has been stopped, then that disagreement would be termed as a conflict. However, if the process is not stopped and both parties have difference of opinion, then that would be a disagreement. The sources of conflict, we will discuss now the sources of conflict. Personal differences. There are differences in personality. Different expectations, perceptions, values and beliefs can cause people to disagree. Conflicting objectives. People can experience conflict because their objectives are different. Lack of information. Misinformation, misrepresentation and miscommunication are all common sources of conflict within the organization. Role incompatibility. Conflict often arises when people's goals and responsibilities don't align with their expectations or values. Environmental conflict. Lack of resources and uncertainty are the two major stressors, and they are therefore common sources of conflict. Managing conflict. Thomas Kilmann conflict mode instrument conflict styles. Competitive, high assertiveness and low cooperativeness. You take a firm stand and don't take the other person's need into consideration. That would be the competitive conflict handling mode. Collaborative, high assertiveness and high cooperativeness. You want to meet the needs of everyone, a win-win situation, yourself and the other person. Avoidant, low assertiveness and low cooperativeness. You avoid conflict altogether. Accommodative, low assertiveness and high cooperativeness. You sacrifice your own needs for the need of others. That is lose-win situation. Compromising, medium assertiveness and medium cooperativeness. You find a solution that partially satisfies everyone's needs. Not fully satisfied, but partially satisfies everyone.